know, get some new clothes or whatever. But they face fucked up. So they gotta get like $1,000 worth of construction. You gotta go get cosmetic, get nose fixed, you got all Botox and shit, and your face swell up. You got hot mess, then you gotta get your hair did, then you gotta get your nails done, then you gotta look like you kinda. You gotta understand, these Trina songs, they ain't relate to you. And it's just like Trina be singing about money and everything, and these girls start singing the same song. Y'all ain't got no money. Y'all broke. What y'all talking about some money for? Y'all broke. Shut up. I hate when people say they got money, and they say that they'll ask me every day. I got money, fucking dollars from my mama. Exactly. I get money from my mama. If I had a job, I would have my own money. Until then, I get money from my mama. My mom give me money every week, and I use it every week, and then I need it again. When she give me my money again next week, you feel me? It's just that simple. Let's be honest. Those friends say I get money all the time when you don't. When you get money all the time, is when you work a job and you get paid. I'm tired of people talking about they got a good job when they work at McDonald's, Walgreens, and stuff. It's a good job for now, but it ain't gonna be a permanent job unless you want to work at McDonald's and be a manager. I don't want to be wearing red every day.
I just don't like the girl you with because I heard so much shit about her. I heard she was a hoe.
I hate when people come out their car.
I don't like the girl you with because Caitlyn, I heard she got a boyfriend, and I told him I was like, I heard she got a boyfriend.
That's how I feel. Girl, red. Red what? Who? I'm finna get a real job. Y'all understand? I'm finna get a real job. Don't nothing. Don't shit make her better than nobody else. That goes for every motherfucker around here. Don't nothing make you better than the next person. For real. Because everybody out here struggling. I mean, and then they got, you can be the richest person in the world and still got motherfucking problems. You got people you don't like, people who don't like you, people who want your money, people who go steal your money, people who just like you for a minute so they can take your money. Come on, let's be honest. And then you be like, I don't like her, she's fake. Well, you don't know why the fuck she's fake. It ain't just cause, it could be cause of any damn thing. You offending them and shit. I ain't bothered by this shit, but you offended somebody and you don't know what the fuck that background, that's real good. So, and that's why you should be starting to run their mouth and they don't know what's going on. They run their mouth and they don't think first before they say it. And that's why it's just like. And also, if you do talk about somebody, please be a fair fight. Because a girl talk about me, she about that other side. You know what I'm talking about. She that side. No offense, but I ain't gonna fight nobody that small. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be mad at her for about an hour.
Look how big you is.
You can fight her. You can fight her because y'all the same size, but I can't fight no hoe that small. Because I'm not finna talking about what she fat so she won. Bitch, no, I got them hands. I'm not finna afraid to talk to a nigga. That is not a problem for me. That is not a problem. It's a nigga. A nigga gonna do what? Another person I'm scared of hitting is strong for no reason. James is, I call him strong for no reason. Because that nigga, he buff for absolutely no reason at all. Like, what are you doing? He ain't wrestling nobody right now. He ain't push-ups, nothing. He just strong for no damn reason. He breaking up in doors and shit. Like, breaking stuff, like, for no damn reason. Like, really?
There you go, right there. Right there. There he is.
Strong for no reason. Yo, James. Yo, James.
Blue shirt.
He is the Incredible Hulk for no damn reason. That bitch coming to me, push me on the goddamn table. I'm like, damn. Can I eat? Can I eat my food? I want to eat my salad. This is good. This is good for my heart. And I want to eat it because I paid for this shit. So I'm finna eat shit. But these dudes be having some unpredictable girls, you know, in their life. All for no reason. And they be like, I want a bad girl, I want a bad girl. I got me a bad girl. She bad on me. She bad for everybody. She fuck for everybody.
80-20.
I love the dudes talking about, man, that's my girl. And then they walk away. And then they be like, they fuck everybody. You know what? You know what else you talking about? Talking about girls, period. Now, anyway, I'm gonna go deep into this stuff. I've been thinking about this for the last couple days because it's been bothering my heart because it came up to me a while ago. How the hell? Chill, girl. Anyway, how the hell you went with somebody? She get pregnant. She lied about some shit. And then when it comes down to the deal, the baby misses. The baby ain't at the house. The baby look grown. Yeah, we finna go there. We finna go there. Anyway, she look like, the baby look like it's 2 months. Oh, that's cute. Look at her tattoo. That's cute. Anyway, the baby look like this motherfucker 2 months. She had that baby and it's supposed to be 1 month. And then, here's the thing. She had the baby at 4 months. So you feel me? It should be premature. Because I was premature and I was in the fucking hospital for about 2 weeks. How the hell the baby came out the day after it was born? You feel me? And then, she's so skinny. How the hell you have a baby and then take out half your organs? He's so small, he probably came all out at once. I mean, she should still be in the fucking hospital. How you talking about you had a baby and you at school that day? Explain that to me. Hit me. Let me know. Matter of fact, call me and let me know how that happened. Tell me she's not one of them rare cases of babies just coming out. Somebody lying. Then here we go. How you be pregnant, miscarry, and have a baby in the same motherfucking week?
Didn't know I was pregnant.
Explain that to me. Shit. Explain that to me. How you have a baby, you miscarry the 7th and had a baby the 9th. So you got pregnant and got a whole 9 months in 1 day? Really? Okay. Anyway, that's just how I feel. That's how I feel about the subject. I'm just gonna let it go because, you know, that bitch ain't worth it. Because I can't fight her because she her size. That's how I feel about it.
That's why I always say, you keep up and move, you let it slip back down.
That's what every dude probably don't fuck. And it's sad when you talk to people from my school that she used to go to, they talking about that heifer. Yeah, I remember that hoe. She used to always talk about me. I remember that hoe. Damn, I didn't even know you know that girl. I'm like, yeah, she get on my nerves. Damn. And then you go to Maple Woods and get on everybody else's nerves too? That's gonna be a brand new case for you. How the fuck you gonna have to say that? Goddamn way. Then how the hell you fuck so much that you got pregnant? And then when you got pregnant, you want to tell everybody, hey, yeah, I'm pregnant. Bitch, who? If I got pregnant, nobody gonna know but my mama and some of my folks friends. Who? And fuck, when I get pregnant, my mama ain't gonna know because she'll beat the hell out of me and the motherfucking baby and the baby daddy. Who? No, I'm pregnant. Bye, bye, bye. It's over. Y'all ain't gonna see no Olivia. What the fuck is you doing with my pregnant? Did you take my shit? Anyway. Yeah, that's how. Why are you touching me with Powerade? What is on your mind?
This is real talk, right?
You hadn't been here and
See, you messing up real talk.
already.
Messing up real talk. See, this is what I'm talking about.
Real talk.
Yeah.
These are the niggas you do not want to
This
fuck with.
is a hater right here.
You do
This
not
is
want
a
to
hater.
You
Fake.
You fake.
He's fake.
Ask Tasha.
That's
Me
the
and
type of
Tasha,
nigga.
we got like sister and brotherhood.
Y'all
We
need
the
to.
homies.
Y'all need to.
There you go.
That's the type of nigga you do not want to marry.
Right.
Say it again. Move. See, I'm one of the good ones. You know how Mary J. Blige said, I love my Mr. Wrong. I'm a Mr. Wrong.
No, you're not Mr. Wrong.
I'm a Mr. Wrong.
Fake. You're not a mister.
I break your
You're
heart
not a
so
mister.
good.
You're not a mister.
We have so much fun.
You're a miss.
I
Mademoiselle.
don't want you keep asking me for it. I'm like,
Senorita.
I was trying to
See? He fake. He fake. That's just dirty.
Why you talking to everybody? Like, where have you been? Last thing you know, about a couple days. Now you want to come back over here and talk to us?
Right. Right.
I've been seen by my cousin.
Your cousin. All right.
James. Every time I came to lunch, I said by you. Well, he's
Strong for no reason.
No reason. By the way, strong for no reason.
Strong for no reason.
It's not what you're talking. Hey, because I got some water, even though it's hot.